So in this video, I will show you step by step how you can connect and use a DJI mic on your iPhone. Now, the first thing we need to do is we need to take our DJI mic here and of course our iPhone. And what we're going to do first of all is we're going to turn on the DJI mic. Once it has turned on, we now need to enter it into pairing mode. So to do this, we need to click on the button that looks like a little link here, which will then turn into pairing mode. So if we click and hold down on this, it should start blinking. And as you can see here, what you will notice is that this is now in pairing mode. So what we want to do is we simply want to go ahead and we want to go over to our Bluetooth. So go to our Bluetooth settings. And once we enter our Bluetooth settings, we should now see the DJI Mic 2 here. So once we do that, we can connect it by clicking on it. And then if it has connected correctly, you will see it there. And the blue light will also be solid on the microphone. Now, unfortunately, you cannot use this with the native iPhone camera app because for whatever reason, it just does not work. But what you can do and how you can use it is if you download the Blackmagic Cam app here. Now what you will notice is that we are currently on the Blackmagic app here and it will say DJI Mic 2 on the corner for your microphone. Now if you don't see this, you can go to settings and then you can just simply find the microphone that you are currently using. So if you go down and you go to the audio source, you want to select the audio source here. And you just want to simply click on the DJI Mic 2, which will then allow you to use this with the Blackmagic camera app. One thing that you do need to bear in mind is that there is a couple of settings that will be on, so it may sound a little bit weird compared to what it would be if you was using a receiver, for example, or if you was using it with a native DJI Pocket 3 or an action cam. But you can connect it and use the Blackmagic app to record videos and whatever you want to do, and it will work, but it might sound a little bit weird, so just keep that in mind. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and that's how you can go ahead and connect it to the iPhone, guys. If this video did help you out, make sure that you leave a like on this video, and I will see you in the next one.